What if I told you that you could buy your dream home without saving a single dollar for a down payment? Sounds crazy, right? But it's real, and thousands of people are doing it right now. In 2025, programs like UWM 0% down purchase, FHA loans with down payment assistance, and VA loans are creating life-changing opportunities for first-time buyers. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can become a homeowner even if you don't have cash saved, how each loan works, who qualifies, and what steps you can take right now. Let's break it down. Why this matters in 2025. Buying a home used to feel like something only rich people could do, but that's no longer true. In 2025, the housing market is stabilizing. Home prices are leveling out in many regions, and while interest rates are still higher than in the pandemic boom, they're slowly coming down. But more importantly, lenders are getting creative. The result? A wave of new homebuyers are getting in with little to no money up front, and you can be one of them. The UWM 0% down purchase program, a game changer. Let's start with one of the biggest headlines in the mortgage world right now, the UWM 0% down purchase program. This program is a true zero-down conventional mortgage. Here's how it works. UWM gives you a second lien loan that covers 3% of the purchase price. That 3% becomes your down payment. Let's say you're buying a $300,000 home. You normally need to come up with $9,000 just to get started. But with UWM's program, that amount is covered by a second lien cash needed from your side. What's even better, no interest on the second loan. No monthly payments required. It only gets repaid when you sell, refinance, or pay off your mortgage. Basic requirements. A credit score of at least 620. Primary residence only. Must go through a UWM partnered mortgage broker. This is perfect for someone who has a good job, solid credit, but not enough savings yet. Comparing your options, UM versus FHA versus VA. Now let's compare UWM's new offering with two government-backed home loan programs, FHA and VA loans. FHA loans, ideal for low credit buyers. FHA loans are designed for people with credit scores as low as 580. They require a 3.5% down payment, but the trick is you can stack these loans with down payment assistance, DPA, programs. These DPAs come in the form of grants or low-interest second loans, and many are offered by state and local agencies. When combined, FHA plus DPA becomes a zero-down path. That means even if you have poor or limited credit history, you can still buy a home with little to no upfront cash. VA loans, the best deal for veterans. If you've served in the military, the VA loan is hands down your best option. It's the only major mortgage that's truly zero down without any strings attached. Here's what makes VA loans unbeatable. 0% down payment. No private mortgage insurance, PMI. Low interest rates. Flexible credit and debt ratio requirements. It's available to veterans, active duty service members, and some surviving spouses. If that's you, this should be your first stop. Who can actually qualify for these zero-down programs? Each program is powerful, but which one fits your situation? UWM 0% down. FICO score of 620 or higher. Home must be your primary residence. Available only through approved brokers. Second lien is repaid when you refinance, sell, or finish your mortgage. FHA loan plus down payment assistance. FICO score of 580 or higher. First-time or repeat buyers. Down payment can be covered by a grant or second loan. Available in all 50 states, but DPA eligibility varies. VA loan. Active duty, veteran, or eligible surviving spouse. Certificate of eligibility required. Your broker can help. No income or location limits. You don't need savings to qualify. How to buy with zero down. Let's say you're ready to stop renting and buy your first home with no money down. What should you do next? Step 1. Check your credit score. Start by pulling your credit report. Make sure it's accurate and look for scores above 620. If you're under that, don't worry, it's fixable with a few months of smart credit behavior. Step 2. Talk to a mortgage broker. Mortgage brokers have access to a variety of lenders and programs, including UWM. They'll review your income, credit, and location to match you with the best 0% down option. Debunking common myths about zero down home buying. There are a lot of misconceptions floating around, so let's bust some myths. Myth 1. You need 20% down to buy a home. Not true. Most first-time homebuyers today put down less than 6%, and many put down nothing at all. Myth 2. Zero down loans are risky or a scam. False. Programs like UWM's 0% down and VA loans are fully regulated. Mainstream lending tools backed by major institutions. Why now is the best time to act? The opportunity in 2025 is massive. Here's why. Home prices are stabilizing. Interest rates are trending downward. More programs and funding are available than ever. Competition is rising, but you're still early in the curve. And most importantly, you don't need to wait years to save a down payment. These programs allow you to lock in your dream home today and start building equity immediately. If you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for the right time, this is it. Let's recap. UWM's 0% down purchase lets you buy with no cash upfront using a silent second loan. FHA plus down payment assistance gives low credit buyers a way in. VA loans offer unmatched benefits for those who served. There are multiple paths to home ownership, and they all start with knowing your options. So if you thought buying a house was out of reach because you didn't have a down payment, think again. The tools are here, the programs are live, and the time is now. Start by checking your credit, talk to a broker, and take one step closer to owning your future. And take the next step toward a smarter financial future with Duane Buziak. Because home ownership isn't just for the wealthy, it's for the informed.